We will work on creating a complete to-do list app. The purpose of working on this project is to achieve further understanding of knockout and UI components. Project will include following topics: creating a UI component, working with less, working with UI elements, performing CRUD operations, working with service contracts, exploring more possibilities with Knockout and Require.js. First, we will begin covering the front-end implementation. We will work on creating to-do component, and then after we will work on its styling using less. After that, we will create a pop-up model to list the to-do fields. Once that is done, we will go with creating the to-do item task and displaying and editing them in a pop-up model. Once all front-end is done, we will work on backend models and perform CRUD operations. And in the end, we will go with the admin grids and UI components step by step. You will find the videos in channel playlist with name To-Do Project. So let's begin with working on To-Do front end in next video.